This video is going to show you how to post using electronic remittance notices. If you're using Ability, you're going to click into Tools, pick your Ability. You're going to use your DMEWorks username and password. You're going to File, 835, 837, Receive. That's going to bring any electronic remittance notices and any reports down. You'll have to choose your certificate and it'll bring those down. To see the ERNs, you can go into File, Batch Browser, click on File Type 835, and it's going to show you all of the checks that you have in the system. You can right-click and print formatted to see the EOB. Okay. So that'll show the customer's name, what they got, and how it was paid, just like if you got it in the mail. This one's a little big, so it might take a second. Again, that's File, Batch Browser. I clicked on 835, and I right-clicked and print formatted to see the formatted electronic remittance notice. To post it electronically, you go to File, 837, 835, and Post, and these are all the checks that haven't been posted yet. This is abnormal, it's just a test company, so it's not really here. I can find the check I want, and I can bring it down. You can bring down multiple checks. If I click OK, it's going to open the posting wizard. The first thing you're going to do is uncheck the skip mapping steps. We need to tell the software and the ERN where it's going. So we're going to click Next. You're going to choose Ability. That'll choose your company, and then it's going to show you insurance company. Generally, they'll match up, but sometimes they won't. So I need to find out what this insurance is in DMEWorks. So I'm going to click on my binoculars, and I know that it's children's. So I'm going to say children's. I'm going to click Next. Then it's going to ask you if you want the system to update the allowables on the invoices. It's not going to update the allowable anywhere else but on the invoice. I say yes. Then it's going to ask you if you want to post 0 payments. We recommend either not posting or posting denied unless you're doing diapers. And then you can post the denials and it'll push it to the next responsible party. But we like to say post denied. That will give you the denial code so you can then go work it. Then you're going to click Next, and it's going to review your options. You're going to click Next again, and it's going to bring up this screen. There's 2 options on the screen. The one you see, which says there are some errors, proceed anyway, and validation report. If there were no errors, it would just say there are no errors, and you'd be able to click Next. I want to see what the errors are, so I can click on validation report, and it's going to show me. So these might have been customers that were from another system. If they can't find the customer, they can't find the invoice detail. And then if you say don't post payments, it's going to show you all your patients that have 0 payments that didn't post, and you'll be able to go back and manually post those. If I feel like I'm going to this is going to post a lot of things and then I can manually post the ones that don't, I can click Proceed Anyway and click Next. That is posted. When I click Finish, it's going to give me the validation report again, which I can print out, and I can manually go back in and post those charges. I can do that through the batch process posting, or I can do it through the individual posting. So it's going to tell you what check number it is. It's also going to give you the file name, so I can then go into File, Batch Browser, do my 835s, and find them. If I'm not billing through Ability, I can down register my checks into DMEWorks by going to Tools, opening up whichever clearinghouse that you use. They all work the same way, Availity, Office Ally, Zermed. I'm going to have downloaded my 835 from the website. I'm going to go to File, Down Register, find that check, in my clearinghouse download, and it's going to bring it in to DMEWorks. Then I can do the same steps that you did with Ability, which is go to File, Batch Browser. I can see my checks. Oops, I picked the wrong one. Okay. I can right click and print formatted to see my EOB. I'm just going to close that. This will now, because it says status new, will be in my area to go to File, Post. I can bring my check down and follow the same steps. Skip mapping steps, choose my region, there's my company. I'm going to choose my insurance company again. Oh. You might have multiple insurance companies here. Then you're going to click next. I'm going to update allowables. I'm going to post denied. I'm going to read my validation report. And I'm going to proceed anyway. Click next. And if I have to hand post those items that weren't posted, then I'm going to go to File, Batch Browser, right click the 835, and print formatted, and then go back into the system and post with the batch posting or the individual posting options.